three most important things I need in my desk setup to stay productive is comfort, open space, and ease of use. So let's start with the comfort. I'm using Herman Miller Embody chair, which is one of the best out there in terms of ergonomics and comfort. It sort of wraps around your body to give you a proper support according to your shape, and it has a bunch of features that makes this chair exactly how you want it to be. Now next, let's talk about the open space. This white tabletop is from Ikea, which is very affordable and comes in various sizes, which I paired with these legs that comes with the wheel, so it's very easy to move around whenever I want to. Now the brain of this desk setup is running from MacBook Pro 14-inch with M1 Pro chip, which in my opinion it's still good enough in 2024 for all the professional use like editing or like Photoshop or music production. The only thing that I would say that I'm running out right now is the RAM capacity, which you should definitely consider to invest in and get RAM more as much as possible, because that will make your MacBook Pro future proof. And for the storage, I don't recommend getting their storage, and I would just recommend getting these external SSDs, which is way cheaper from what Apple usually charges for the storage. Now in terms of ease of use, I have a CalDigit TS4, which will not only charge your laptop but also powers a lot of other accessories by using this just one cable, and it definitely helps out clear the desk from a lot of cables, and the amount of ports that you get on this is more than enough for all of your needs. Now all the products that I'll be talking about today will be linked in the description, so definitely check it out. And I'm not sponsored by any of them, but I do have affiliate links to support my channel, so yeah, subscribe. So now let's talk about the centerpiece of my desk setup, which is a Apple Studio display. And I only have one thing to say about this monitor, is that it is a work of art considering how well it's designed to elevate any space that you have this, and features like built-in webcam, inbuilt speakers, which sounds very full in my opinion, and a 5K retina display, which is just the right amount of things that you need to do majority of any task. And nowadays you can also find this monitor at very much discounted price, which makes this monitor a well-worthy product. Now if you want to take minimalism at another level, then you should pair your Apple Studio display with this magic keyboard from Apple. And I know this might not be your first choice when it comes to keyboard, and there are a lot of other plenty of options out there too, but personally I just enjoy the key travel of my MacBook Pro for typing, and this magic keyboard gives me very similar feel to my MacBook Pro, which makes my transitioning very smooth whenever I'm traveling or doing something. Now that is not the case with the magic mouse, and I do not recommend that mouse at all. And for my purposes, I wanted that is something wireless, comfortable, and very light. I landed on Razer Viper V2, which is a very light, quick response gaming mouse. Now you can use that mouse wirelessly or with wire if you are playing any fast-paced FPS games, and it doesn't leave any sweat marks after long use, shapes perfectly for my hand grip, and it has a very longer battery life, which I don't need to worry about, as I can just use this dock that comes with it to charge your mouse overnight. And to get a smoother experience, I use this leather desk mat, which adds to my aesthetics, and it also makes my mouse travel very accurate. It's also easy to clean and comes in very different color options, and I bought mine from Amazon, which runs pretty cheap most of the time, and comes in different sizes as well. Now to keep things clean on my desk, I use this monitor stand from Ikea, which is the perfect size to keep my CalDigit and other accessories hidden under, and gives me a lot of open space to work with that doesn't add any cluster on my desk. Now speaking of Ikea, I also use this mushroom lamp that I got recently to light up my space during evening times instead of using the overhead light, which it doesn't help you stay productive. And just by using these lamp lights around in your apartment, it definitely gives your space much cozy look, and I paired it with the RGB bulb in it, so I can just customize the look and feel of my desk setup any way how I want to. Now since I have everything that is functional, I wanted to add few pieces on and around my desk to just finish up the overall vibe of my desk, and to do that I got this cactus style decor, which is actually a plant watering jug, and the Ikea wall organizer, which carries some of my other items that I would like to use while I'm on my desk. Porsche artwork that I got from this company, which I don't know how to pronounce properly, so I'm just gonna put it up here, which definitely adds so much vibrant color into my desk setup to finish off that vibrant poppy look. And by no means this is finished, because I have tendency to change my desk setup a whole lot very frequently, but I think this setup is very well built to boost off my productivity level in 2024, and I will definitely keep you guys updated on whenever I add more items to it. Definitely consider subscribing so you don't miss out any of my future videos, and until then I'll see you in the next one. Peace.